Hello guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel, how to make money online. And in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make money online with Card Tracker. Yes, as the title says, I'll be giving you tips on how to make money online with Card Tracker without spending any capital, without having any capital to start up. So make sure you listen to this video from the starting to the end, listen attentively, and make sure you implement everything if you are ready to make money online. Alright, before we get into the video, if you are ready to make money online, go onto the comment section and write "Let's make money online with Card Tracker." Make money online with Card Tracker. Just go to my comment section and write that down. Let's make money online with Card Tracker. Yes. Alright, now if you have done that, click on subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let's get into the video immediately.
Alright guys, so this is the easiest way to make money online with Card Tracker without spending any money. I'll just give you this tip because this is the easiest method. This is the most easiest method, and I don't want this video to be very long. So if I will make another video, if I will teach you guys another method, I'm going to list them in another different video. But I don't want this video to be very long, so I'll just drop only this information on this video so you can implement it and start making money. Alright, let's get in. So right now, if you want to make money with Card Tracker, all you have to do first of all is to go to any sales agent. You go to any sales website or any trading website in your country. Like you can go to Amazon, you can go to GG, you can check every of other online selling websites, online trading websites, and you search for Card Tracker there. You search for Card Tracker there. The price varies. You can get trackers for, in Nigerian, you can get tracker for around 17,000 naira. You can get Card Tracker for around some dollars in the US, right? You can get Card Tracker for some dollars. Just go to your trading website and you see the price there. So all you have to do is to message the seller, the person that posted that in the trading platform you got that from. Is to message the seller. You just direct message the person like, as if he wants to buy that stuff. And when the person replies to you, you make a deal with that person. Listen to these tips attentively because this is what we have been using. When the person replies to you, or make a deal with the person, tell the person that you are an advertiser and you want to help him promote that services. You want to help him promote his product, or you want to kind of partner with him. So he's going to give you that product for a lower amount. For example, if that stuff is being sold for $100, that person can give you for $70, and because you are partnering with that person, you make him convinced that he was going to get a lot of customers. Convince him that he's going to get a lot of customers through you, and you are going to be working with him constantly. So because of that, that person is going to reduce the price from the original price, which was $100, to $70 for you. Now what you have to do is to go onto social media platforms, go onto your website if you have a website, go onto all your social media handles that have lots of followers, and you promote the website with the original price. Yeah, you promote the website with the original price as if this is your product. Now you post it, okay, Card Tracker device is available, and people, trust me, this is the most hottest product at the moment. This is like the best selling product at the moment. People are going to DM you, people are going to message you for Card Tracker. What you have to do now is to go back to the original sales agent which you have partnered with, and you get that stuff from the person. For example, if the original price, or if the price the person is giving you for is around $70, you can go ahead and post that stuff for $150. So even if the people are pricing lower amount, you can reduce it to $100 and you still have your own game. Trust me, with a good promotion you can be making a lot of money per day or per week from this Card Tracker. So if you don't have any social media platform, if you don't have lots of followings online, if you don't have a website on your own that you can use to drive traffic, all you have to do is to utilize your WhatsApp platforms. You can utilize your WhatsApp platform. You can pay WhatsApp TVs. You can pay people that have lots of WhatsApp viewers on their status, and they help you promote your services just like a business, because this is a business to you now, right? So that's just all you have to do. You promote your stuffs. They don't charge much on this. You promote your stuffs and you get viewers. Create a page. You can run Facebook ads. Trust me, with a good Facebook ad targeted audience, you don't have to spend much and you reach potential customers. So that's how you have to do. That's what you do about that. And now the second part of it is that when you get your customers, they are going to tell you to when they are purchasing these stuff from you, they are going to tell you to teach them how to fix it, or they are going to tell you that how are they going to fix it, or they are going to request for you to fix the car tracker. Now you are just a dumb person. Oh, sorry. You're just a regular person that doesn't know much about car tracker, right? Because you are just doing this for business purposes and you don't have any capital for it, so you don't know how to fix the car tracker. All you have to do to make it look like a professional is to head onto YouTube, search how to fix car tracking device on cars. All right, you just have to search that on YouTube. There are DIY, do it yourself trainings online on YouTube that you can use to understand everything, and trust me, you are going to do it perfectly well. Just make sure you pay attention to the videos, watch how to install car tracker, and when you get any clients, you head over there and install this car tracker. Another method you can use to do this, maybe you're a very busy person and you don't have time to run all this, but you can conveniently operate your phone online and promote these products. So what you have to do is to get someone who can fix car tracker, get an already expert. So when you get your clients, you just send that person down there to deliver the stuff and help them fix it, and they get their commission for it. And your commission is also going to be bigger. So that's how you make lots of money with car tracker. I hope this helps someone out there. I know most of you might be searching for this right now. I hope this helps you. If you know anyone searching for this update, just make sure you share this video to the person and you go and practice this yourself, and drop a comment on the comment section if you don't understand anything, or if you want me to make video explaining more, or if you want me to make another video explaining something else. Just make sure you drop your comment in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'll be dropping more videos on how to make money online. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Check out my videos for more videos like this on how to make money online. Subscribe to this channel, and God bless you.